Hello. In this video, I will explain how to use the Wolfram language's FormFunction. This function is used to instantly deploy dynamic forms that can leverage the power of the Wolfram language to perform many different kinds of computations. As you can see, the FormFunction has two arguments, the form specifications, here, and the function that we apply to those specifications, here. Let's start. Let's create a list with a variable x that we define to be an integer. And let's say we want to square that integer. So we create a function that takes in x and squares it. Now, let's deploy that to the Wolfram cloud for accessibility. We get this nice URL, we click it, and you see that we've received this web page with x. We can put the input to be 2 and submit that. And we get the output to be 4, which is indeed 2 squared. What's really nice about the Wolfram language is how easy it is to write something, deploy it, and test it. Due to the symbolic nature of the Wolfram language, it's easy to start building up your project using the rest of the functions in the language. For example, let's build a web page that can identify images. The Wolfram language has a state-of-the-art image identifier built into it. We call it using the image_identify function. So, let's say that x is now an image, and the function we're applying to x is not squaring it, but instead is applying image identify to x. And let's evaluate that. So we get an output, and it leads us to this nice web page with a drag and drop interface already built in. We can take this picture of a banana that I had on my desktop and drag it into it and submit it for identification. The image identifier in the Wolfram language is trained on 10,000 different objects. And as we can see, it identified that image correctly as a banana. For more information and instructions on the Wolfram language, you can go to Stephen Wolfram's An Elementary Introduction to the Wolfram Language, or to Wolfram U, an online university of open courses for students and professionals. Thank you.